What? What is up, guys? How we doing? We back today with another trade recap. Today was pretty interesting. I was mixed up between my biases. I don't know about you guys, but today was not only a pretty choppy day, but a little bit of a confusing day with my bias. Because when I was doing my pre-market analysis at 9 a.m., we were bullish on the hourly, 4-hour, and daily. And then market open, the hourly and 4-hour started to become bearish. So I decided to take a trade on ES today because ES filled this daily gap that NQ didn't have. And since my original bias was bullish, I wanted to take a bullish trade. And because of the fact that we respected this daily gap and we had equilibrium right here, and then we had a 1 minute inverse fair value gap with break of structure, and that is when I entered. I targeted a 1.28 RR, pretty good there. So 4 confluences, a lot of confidence with those confluences to enter a trade. That's what I did. And because ES was trading lower than NQ, I did not think we were going to be reaching these London highs like NQ hit. So for ES, I just targeted market open highs. And this was great. I'm one trade away from passing the funded, and look what happened. Because we were bullish overall on the day, just kept. This is actually beautiful price action. This is great. Great movement to the downside. And it just felt weird disrespecting this daily gap with bearish order flow right out of the gate at the market. So, and as you can see, there's a lot of choppiness going on, especially on the 1 minute, just like waiting and waiting. But because of the fact that we didn't inverse the daily gap, I was still bullish. And even if the day wasn't fully going to be bullish, I knew that there was going to be a move from respecting the gap, because that's how price action works. Liquidity sweeps and fair value gaps. Like right here, you could have taken a trade off of 1 hour liquidity sweep right here. London lows, bang, move up, and you actually did hit London highs. But while I was watching the trade, and even before the trade, looking at the market, I just favored ES to trade because ES, I found an SMT earlier that got disrespected, but ES was the lagging index, and it was my favorite. It was my favorite index of the day to trade with. So yeah, that's the trade today, guys. Hope you enjoy. One trade away from passing the funded, and then we're going to get some payouts, and I'm going to take you through that process and hopefully inspire you guys and teach you more.